is a wild animal. This is cow. I think it's a farm animal. Pick one. This is a giraffe. He is a wild animal. And this is a horse. He's a farm animal. This is a zebra. He is a wild animal. And this is a pig. He's a farm animal. This is a lion. He is a wild animal. I don't know which one. And this is a cow. He's a farm animal. This is a camel. He is a wild animal. And this is a sheep. Nigina, what is this? Is a farm? You're a wild. It is a farm animal. This is a farm animal. This is an elephant. He is a wild animal. This is a goat, and he's a farm animal. This is a tiger. He is a wild animal. This is a baby cow, and this is a farm animal. This is a polar bear. He is a wild animal. This is a moose. He is a wild animal. This is a baby pig, and he's a farm animal. This is a tiger. He is a wild animal. This is a baby sheep, and he's a farm animal. This is a hippo. He is a wild animal. This is a baby goat, and he's a farm animal. This is a gorilla. He's a wild animal. This is a baby dog, and he's a farm animal. This is a panda. He is a wild animal. And this is a rooster, and he's a farm animal. This is a bear. He is a wild animal. This is hyena, and he's a wild animal. This is a fox. He is a wild animal. This is a donkey. He's a farm animal. This is a wolf. He is a wild animal. This is a rabbit, and he's a farm animal. We said all of the animals' names. Subscribe our channel to see more videos. Bye.